Just had them press me dunce. So I feel like me can sit down and write an email to Instagram and me I go write say, yeah, Instagram me there, I know. I know some there I'm sit down and some page just got. It hurt me as fuck. When I'm telling you this youth, me I want boy when I give up easy, you see me? May God bless youth. You notice, if you don't listen to me, dog, when I talk, dog, when you think I talk too much, or me and people and then nothing, dog. Or when I talk, sometimes I might feel like you love talk, so. 2 weeks ago, I tell you, say I left here, you jump. And something bad go on in a dog. So I tell myself, you know, I say Rich Friday keep, you know. And Rich Friday shut at me and say, yo, I know Rich Friday. And I say, yo, to Trouble, say, yo, Trouble, me left here, you jump in a dog. I wonder if me now get the house. I know the house. Me left here, still a jump, dog. And I say to dog, say, I want if I exit 19 now, go shot. Trouble, I say, you idiot. I start think to myself, dog. I say, me left here, jump. I say it on the live, dog. I chat, I say, oh, me left here, jump, so youth. And Chubby, I say, yo, dog. Jaja, youth. Damn, me hurt the fuck, dog. I think somebody dead last night for me, dog. Jaja, youth. Hurt your fuck, dog. I'm just telling you, say, dog. You know, say, me not hurt or me not feel some type of way about it. No, that lie, dog. Hurt your fuck. Low Instagram alone, yeah, man. Right now, I pre some people, man, them no link, you know, that. Everybody, you know, that I pre them devil, you know, I not lie to you, know, I pre people devil right now, you know. That me I tell you, dog. Right now, I pre devil, dog. Right now, I pre evil. But me I say, I pre evil, dog. I pre evil, dog. I pre. I pre evil. Pre evil, as fuck. The page gone. The second party when I go my left here in a jump. That me I tell Wang this morning on the phone. Me I say Wang from the page gone, my left here in a jump in a dog. My just when my right here jump dog, me know me and me BM. So when this a left here jump dog, me know something bad go on. Me know myself, me study myself. A whole heap of people not really study themselves. But if you study yourself and know your mind and know your body, you know what go on. Me study myself, dog. And my mother always tell me that rascal, me left here jump. Nothing now go on for me. And I real talk, dog. My there, dog, I'm hurt you out. Right now, the amount of people me I pray, me just want to line them up in a one and just take out my AK and shoot all. Some me I pray devil right now. But I any idea me can't kill all of them and God jail for money. Because I add up all of them together, they don't really put together to me. You understand? So me I go just go on. Bill. Drink beer, blood clot. Earth in a dog. Fly out today in a bad man. I'm not going nowhere, dog. And today all the day where I promote a boy and I feel no argument with me. Because once me tell you something I send back a deposit boy, you just hold that here. Yeah, dog. Damn, I click on the blood clot page last night, you know, dog. When everybody text me, you know, dog, I click on the blood clot page, you know, dog. I see my phone jump out and go back at home scream. I'm a jump back pan and them I tell me say your Instagram be deactivate. I'm say so boom, come and say me I hold the car side now, not come weak out, you know, people. But one thing with blood clot, make me say me I can't weak out. As me see the page said deactivate. Me weak out the blood clot. Out of people them party out of ice cream Sunday. Me say me not think could have blood clot dirt bunks. Me say last night me see myself in a dirt. Nah bunks. Just in a one casket. Dead last night the blood clot people. We have to use bad things to make joke. I said last night my blood clot say Tyree Dirk. And I had blood clot dirt being up last night dead. Tyree Dirk. Pack up the dirt bunch of blood clot last night. Dead bunks. Blood clot, youth. What a blood clot mix up, man. Just had them press with dunce. So you feel like me can sit down and write an email to Instagram or me I go write say, yeah. Instagram me there, you know. I know some there, I'm sit down and some page just gone. The only thing I know for text in a Jamaican, I can't text in a proper English. Me can't talk in a proper English, so I go over there and say Instagram. Me not think I say my whole heart. When I go say OLE, all Instagram I say what the blood clot word there. I'm going to use Instagram, type of where name Siri. Me can't even write a good sentence and me can't